Good morning and welcome to a video where we go to amazing animals. So if you all have been here with us for a little while, you know that one of our favorite places in town to go is Amazing Animals. They do fantastic work. It's an exotic animal sanctuary and we have such a fun time every time that we go. So we're going back today.
And we're gonna go visit PJ and Penelope, the capybaras. So if you've watched any of our previous Amazing Animals videos, which I'll link down below in case you haven't seen them, you might know that we sponsor their habitat. So we get to go visit them and see how they're doing. And I think there might be some new animals at the sanctuary.
I think so.
Yeah, we're also going with some family members who have never been. Yeah. So that's very exciting. We always love to bring new people to Amazing Animals. So should we go?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're here at Amazing Animals with Brian and Kylie. We're excited because there are some new animals.
Yeah.
Some new habitats. And babies.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go around.
Yeah.
What do we got first? Like what are we gonna see?
Do you want to check out the reptiles?
Yeah, we'll start with some reptiles and then we're gonna do a nice tour just like you would get when you book a tour here, and take you guys around and see some new animals and some babies that were just born.
All right, let's do it. This is Cypress, a little baby alligator. Say hi, Mom.
Look at his little teeth.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
You want to touch the alligator? Touch his little tail. No.
She's giving me a nice hug, right?
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I can take her whenever you're done.
Oh, yeah.
You're
You
good.
want to hold it? She's about to be in a TV show.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's your gator charmer.
Oh my gosh.
You're putting them to
He's
sleep.
tickling your armpits.
Tickling my arm. Licking me. Tasting me.
He's smelling you.
Smelling me. So this is a Burmese python named Glades because they caught her in the Everglades.
Wow. So
And
you
she's an
guys
invader
were...
species in the Everglades, right?
Yeah, they're very invasive. About 20 years ago, Hurricane Andrew came through and knocked out a breeding facility in the Everglades, and a bunch of them got out, and they're loving it, which is not a good thing for Florida.
Right.
So it's awesome to be able to take her and use her for education.
Southern Fox Squirrel. Ellie is up in the corner over there. And then we have 3 skunks in here.
Champ and Dior. And then the squirrel, Ellie, up here in the corner. I don't see her yet. Buddy, do you see this skunk? Do you want to pet the skunk, Jackson? Here it comes. Here comes the skunk.
You want to pet him?
You gonna pet him?
Gentle.
And then you want the just like it when it's inside?
See, Mommy's petting him. No.
No?
No.
Oh, buddy.
I think he wants the ball.
The toys.
Oh, the
Yeah.
toy.
He wants the ball.
Oh, we thought you were excited for a skunk.
You don't want to see the skunk?
No.
Aww.
Buddy.
So now, Bam Bam was the one who was somebody's pet?
Yeah, he was our original skunk, so we've had him for probably 7 years or so now. And someone had him as a pet, and he is very cute. But they've got some nice little long nails there. They've got some impressive teeth. Skunks are little foragers. They like to get into everything and eat everything. And so that's why we got called to take him in. So now he gets to be outside and get into everything out here.
Kylee's going to take me in to see Ellie.
See if she wants a pine cone. Hey, Ellie, do you want that?
Wow.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. And so you said that she's 3 times the size of like a normal squirrel?
Yeah. Fox squirrels are a really large squirrel species, and they're actually found right here in Florida. So they love being up in the pine trees, which is why I always find pine cones for her to eat. So she loves tearing them apart. And someone thought that they could keep her as a pet, which that's illegal. She's a protected species.
Okay.
So we were able to take her in. She's way too used to people. She doesn't watch her surroundings. So we got some permits to give her a good home, and she likes living with the skunks too.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Champ.
And those are full grown. Those are as big as they get. A lot of our animals are ex-pets. People have them as pets. And then these guys were injured wildlife. So we have a special permit to have them and exhibit them. They cannot go back to the wild. They were deemed non-releasable by wildlife rehabilitators. Yeah, they basically hit cars and then they fracture their forehead. And that side, they lose their hearing and their eyes shrivel up. So they're both actually missing their left eye.
And these are the only ones that could completely tuck their heads all the way in. Here, you guys want to pet them? Nice and soft on the back. There you go. And armadillo, it means armored animal. So they can feel you, but that keeps them really safe and protected from predators. So he's got little nails in there. He can dig up stuff. And there's about 20 different species of armadillo. So These guys are the smallest of all of them, found in Brazil.
So this is Dill. This is a 3-banded armadillo?
3-banded armadillo, yep.
Native to Brazil. Look at that little nose going.
I know.
Sniffing around.
Wow.
He's got big long claws to dig up insects.
Oh, bud, what's wrong?
He's got big long claws to dig up insects.
You see him?
You can go back home? Here you go.
It's like ballet slippers.
Do, 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 do.
Hello.
Right? It's dainty. Like, I don't know how. And it's partly my
Bingo got an egg. He loves showing off his food. Bingo! Oh, Dill's like, I'm gonna eat the egg. He likes to eat the food that Bingo drops on the ground.
Let's see Bingo. Bingo is a
Bill.
black
I love all the
tufted
boys.
marmoset.
So Bingo's all big and bad when when I mow the lawn. He hates the lawnmower. And one day we were like, where did he go? Where did he go? He goes in the box with Dill on the floor.
Oh.
He's like, Dill,
Yeah, they
protect me."
go and hide together. So Mary Kate came to us from another facility that was unfortunately struggling with everything happening with COVID. It takes a lot of money to care for all these animals, and some places were really struggling, and so we were able to take in other animals to help out. And Mary Kate was very well cared for. She was an ambassador animal, so we're glad we can have her here with us to continue to teach people all about this amazing species. She's a cute little thing. And
So-
it's kind of cool because cotton tops are a critically endangered species. And so it's really great to be able to educate people, you know, paying attention to your products and making sure that we're sustainable and eco-friendly, because that's a big issue happening in South America. You know, a lot of habitat loss, and critically endangered means they could be gone in 10 years. You know, that's really soon in our lifetime. And so we think it's awesome to be able to let people meet her and learn about her, and hopefully go home and do a little bit of a better job, you know, making sure we're taking good care of everything.
Hi there, Mary Kate. You have beautiful hair.
Right, it's been extra frizzy with all the humidity.
Punk rocker. Exhibits are brand new. We got those exhibits because we took in Mary Kate and because we took in these 3 little Phoenix foxes. These are the smallest fox species in the world, and they have some really cool adaptations to survive in the desert where they're from. They're from Africa in the Sahara Desert, so they have huge ears, and those big ears help them expel heat from their body so they can thermoregulate to stay nice and cool. And they have lots of fur on their feet pads, and that helps them walk on the hot sand. But they were also at another institution that unfortunately fell to COVID because they actually cost a lot of money to feed every day. They love to eat mice. And right now, where we buy our mice, those mice prices have gone up to almost $2.25 a mouse. So each of them eat 2 mice a day. So if you do that math, times a week, times a month, they are some of our more expensive animals to feed. And they also eat ground turkey and some fruits and veggies. They used to be where the Phoenix foxes are, and now the bush babies live in here, and they're super nocturnal. And we are actually this year going to add a new experience to Amazing Animals. We're going to do Sippin' Safari, and it's going to be 21 and up. It's going to be a wine tour, and then you're going to have red flashlights, and you're going to get to go through with us and do a tour and look at all the nocturnal animals that come out. So during the day tours, a lot of our nocturnal animals are sleeping. So during Sippin' Safari, you'll be able to see all of our nocturnal guys when they come out at night.
Oh, that's
So
fun.
that should be fun.
We have a Keen and Kodo, and they love grapes. So let's see if they want to. You girls want grape? You want one? There you go. There you go.
That's so funny. They do look like little Yodas.
Right? Those big ears, big eyes. And they get the nickname the bush baby because at night they have this alert call that they say sounds like a shrieking baby.
Oh.
It's a very loud call. Luckily they don't go off all night, just every once in a while.
Yeah, so the Asian leopard.
What kind of cat is this?
This is an Asian leopard cat. He is full grown. They're only about 10 to 12 pounds. And yeah, I call him my little stalker. He just watches everything. So they've got the big eyes, they're nocturnal. And they actually really love the water too. So he's even got webbed feet and a very slick coat. Let's see if he wants to play into this. Loves playing. Yes, he's got lots of toys. But
That's so
people
funny.
actually, their biggest threat in the wild is the pet trade. So this is how you make a Bengal cat.
Oh.
Yeah, so people hybridize them with a house cat. They'll breed a house cat to an Asian leopard cat. So you've got the beautiful spotting on them. But I always tell people this is definitely a wild cat. He doesn't want to be picked up and
Yes.
snuggled.
So
He
you put
climbs all
battery
over
in
the
it?
place.
Yeah.
So he's not the same personality as a house cat. Rebel.
Huh, there's the little
What do you
babies.
think of this thing?
And now we're headed over into the Capybara exhibit. This is one of our favorite exhibits in the entire place. We've actually sponsored this exhibit, and we're so excited to see the baby capybaras. There's the little babies right there. They were actually born on Friday, and today is Monday. So they're just a few days old. Look at these little babies right here.
Gentle.
Oh, you petting the capybaras?
You did so good. You're gonna try another
What's that belly rub?
Whoa. You wanna try to give a little pet? Look. You did. You got enough. Okay.
Hey there, little ones.
You see the babies?
You guys hanging out near Mom?
Look at those babies. Look, Jaxie.
What are you guys doing?
Those are the babies.
So now we're in the barnyard. Hanging out. Buddy, you like the pig?
Say hi, pig. Look at that.
Think, bud.
Take it down in this
You want to
one,
get in the mud?
Take it down in this one.
You want to pet him?
You want to say hi to the goat? Oh, nice work, buddy.
That was a very nice pet.
Nice work. You want to pet this pig?
Pets it whatever she can. Hi, sweetness.
Yeah, now you got a fly on you too.
Wow, buddy.
You did it. You want to pet this emu? Emu? What's it called?
He said maybe not today.
Yeah, that's a dinosaur, buddy.
Pretty much. You want to see Max?
What's this?
Oh,
Say
very
hi.
nice. Nice pet. Gentle. Very
Yeah.
gentle.
Hello.
You're a good goat, huh? Oh, be careful, buddy. Hello.
Are you petting the goat's ears?
Hi. Oh, be careful. Let's put him right here. Say good
Nice
goat.
work.
That's a good goat. Not on the face, though. Right here.
Yeah, that's a good goat.
Sweetness!
Come get this banana, Sweetness. Sweetness, over here, look. I got the banana. Yeah. Num 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 num. Num 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 num. Eating that banana. That's what I sound like when I eat too. Yummy.
Here, you get it, Gambit.
Thor's like, yes? Hello?
I'll wake up and we're getting snacks. I guess I can wake up and see. Come here, Thor. You want to sit?
These are marble foxes.
You want to sit? Good boy. He's so smart.
So there's one that likes to do tricks and one that's small.
Yes, they're both very smart. He likes to sit and he likes to jump. Here's your girlfriend.
You hear her?
So this is Archie, the barn owl. He's got the rat in his mouth, but there's also a wild barred owl up in this tree. There she is up there. So that's a wild barred owl. And Archie was deemed non-releasable by Florida Fish and Wildlife when he was just a small little baby and has lived here ever since. And sometimes Archie will talk to this wild barred owl up here. And this is a female barred owl and Archie is male. So we're going in to meet the baby sloth, hopefully. We'll see. Good morning!
So this is Lily is the mom and Lima is the baby. So they're actually laying perfectly right now. 1 second, we'll see if we can get mom to come out. Sometimes she will, and sometimes she won't. I think I can get her down.
Look, there he is.
One more.
Jackson, look at the little baby. Over here, look. You see the baby's eating. He loves apples like you love apples. Pretty cool, huh?
I love pears.
You love pears?
And I love apples.
Oh, you're like a sloth.
I love apples.
Everybody's like a sloth.
Oh, look how tiny the little baby
Look at his
is.
little
It's
feet.
not like
Yeah,
apples.
his little tiny
Little
foot.
bites.
I like that the baby's kind of like getting ready to fall asleep right now.
So what do you think, Jen?
Oh, Jen, move him closer so that you can touch.
Do you want to pet her? See, that's her. Did you feel her hair? Oh.
No.
Wow, look, he's eating a sweet potato.
You want to try to feed her? You can hand that right to her.
Sweet potato.
She's over it.
Yep, she's out.
She does laugh and then she goes back.
I think it was the wind. It was just that wind.
No. This is for the sloth, not for Buddy.
That's a sloth butt.
I'm sorry.
So do you see something missing on that little tortoise?
Missing an arm.
He's missing an arm, yeah. So unfortunately a dog got him and took off his arm, and he can't go back to the wild because he doesn't know how to build a hole right now. He needs 2 arms to build a hole. So we have him, and he goes to meet lots of people. And those turtles are very important to us here in Florida because they'll dig a burrow, and over 300 different species of other animals will live inside that burrow. So they build a home for lots of other animals to live in. So the little guy is a gopher tortoise, and the big ones are sulcata tortoises from Africa, and the little one's native right here in Florida.
Oh wow.
They're our only tortoise species native to us.
What do you think, Bud? Are you loving the tour so far?
I love it.
Meeting all the animals and learning lots of animal facts. Pretty cool.
Wow.
Cool stuff.
Checking everything out, huh? Let's see.
That's the sloth. He's eating some lettuce. He's having a salad.
All right, so when he's eating, you guys can pet him real nice and soft on the back and get pictures with him.
Oh wow, he likes him.
Coming back down?
They cruise all around. So these guys, they live in the rainforest of South America, so they get rained on a lot, and they move very little, so they'll actually grow moss and algae on them. And that moss and algae creates a whole ecosystem for other little bugs. So there's even a sloth bug, a moth, that has kind of evolved to live in sloth's fur. And they'll eat the algae, and they'll actually lay their eggs in the sloth fecal. So kind of cool. And yeah, you guys can pet him. You can see his fur kind of goes down around his back.
Let's see. There you go. Did you see him? He ate that
Is that
apple.
your apple?
You shared it with him. That was so nice.
So there you have it. That was our trip out to Amazing Animals. We had an amazing time.
We did.
So many amazing animals to see and so many amazing facts to learn.
This was Jackson's first tour too. So
Yeah.
he was here on our last tour, but he wasn't a part of the tour. He was napping, I think, at that time. But this time he got to see all the animals and touch them.
I know, he was very brave today.
He was
and he
so
touched all
brave.
kinds of animals.
You did
And
such a good
he
job.
shared his snacks with the monkeys.
Oh, he
Oh.
did. That's true. So we had so much fun, and we loved seeing the babies,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And maybe next time he'll actually touch the alligator or the snake.
We'll see.
We'll see.
But we will leave a link down below if you want to learn more about Amazing Animals Inc. And we just love the work that they're doing, and we'll definitely be back to support them more. Everything about this place is amazing, so we hope you'll check them out. Please check out the link in the description down below.
So with that being said, we are off and we'll see you all tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.